For this week's quick tip video, I want to show you just how easy it is to do a green screen effect in iMovie. Here's a really simple project I've made already with a few clips of background footage loaded in. I'm going to add my green screen effect by selecting the video with a green background from my video library, and then tapping on it once and pressing the three dots on the right hand side. From here there are a couple of options. I want to choose green/blue screen. At this point your video will be put in place straight away with the green screen effect automatically applied. In the top right hand corner of the video you can change the strength of this effect, and if you'd like to you can also change the area it applies to by using the drag and drop box. It's worth noting it doesn't have to just be a green screen or a blue screen. This will actually work with any simple colour you like. You could be stood in front of a red wall and choose red to be blanked out instead. The finished result shows a really fun and really easy to make green screen effect in iMovie. When it's this straightforward to try, anyone can give it a go.